Analyzing data. Now that we have an understanding of the different types of graphs, we'll work on reading and interpreting the data in them to make general statements. Let's get started. On a quiz, a group of 17 students received the grades given in the bar graph shown below. Answer the following questions using the graph. What is the number of students who received an A? Okay, so to answer this one, we go to the A column and we see that it goes up this far. So we look to the left and we see that it's halfway between 2 and 4, which is 3. The answer is 3. Next question. What is the number of students who received a D? All right, so we see the D column here. It goes up this high. We look to the left and we see 1. Or you can think of it as half of 2. So therefore the answer is 1 student. Is the number of students who received a B equal to the sum of the students who received a C or an A? Okay, so the number of students who received a B is 8. The students who received a C is 4, and the students who received an A is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7, which is not equal to 8. Therefore, the answer here is no. A school survey reveals the favorite type of music among 6th and 7th grade students. Answer the following questions using the graphs. What are the percentages of 6th and 7th grade students who like R&B? Compare. Okay, so 6th grade, R&B is orange, so that's 20%. For 7th grade, R&B is orange again, but here it's 25%. So the percentage for 7th graders is higher. 25% is greater than 20%. Next question. What are the percentages of 6th and 7th grade students who like country? Compare. All right, country is purple. So 6th graders, 15% said they liked country. In 7th grade, also 15%. So they are both 15%. What are the percentages of 6th and 7th grade students who like pop/rock? Compare. All right, so pop rock is represented by the green sectors. Over here, that means that 40% of 6th graders said they liked pop rock. 35% of 7th graders said they liked pop rock. 40 is greater than 35, therefore the percentage is higher for the 6th grade students. What are the percentages of 6th and 7th grade students who like classical music? What did you notice? Classical music is blue, and you can see here that's 5% of 6th graders and 4% of 7th graders, which are the smallest wedges in these charts. Suppose we have the following test scores for a group of students. Here. To create a stem and leaf plot, we separate each score into a stem, the leading digit or digits, and a leaf, the last digit or the trailing digit. In this example, the tens digit will be the stem, so for example, the 8 here, and the units digit will be the leaf, and that would be the 3 there. So, step-by-step process. Number 1, organize the data from smallest to largest. So this is just rearranged in numerical order. Next, we can organize the data by the stems, for example, 70s, 80s, and 90s. All of the numbers in the 70s all have the same stem of 7, shown here. And the leaves are all the second digits, 2, 4, 5, 8, and 9. 2, 4, 5, 8, and 9. And you can do that same thing with the 80s and the 90s. Here's another explanation. The stem 7 represents scores in the 70s. The leaves 2, 4, 5, 8, 9 represent the units digit of these scores. The stem 8 represents scores in the 80s. The leaves 1, 3, 3, 7, and 9 represent the units digits of these scores. The stem 9 represents scores in the 90s. The leaves 2, 5, 6, 7, 9 represent the units digits of these scores. This plot visually displays the distribution of test scores, making it easy to see where most of the scores fall
and identify any clusters or gaps in the data.